Okay, hello everyone. I'm Jin Sheng, and today I'm going to perform one of the three malware analysis, which is the basic static analysis. So these are the tools that I'm going to be using on the VMware Windows XP, and then the malware, as you can see here, are also installed here. So let's begin the analysis. Okay, so firstly, we'll do the PEID. Okay, so after you open these two, you just need to open the malware. Okay, as you can see, right, the malware is not packed because the compiler name is shown over here. So no unpacking is needed for this malware. Okay, now we will go to the PE view. Okay, what's the PE view? Okay, for PE view it's still the same. Open the malware first. So in this PE view, we are only interested in the timestamp of the malware. So I just need to go to the image anti-header. Under the header, we'll go to the file header, and here, this will be the timestamp for the malware, 17th of May 2008. Okay, next up. Okay, this bin text is very useful for the analysis because it will show a list of strings that are inside the malware. So as usual, open up this, then click go. Okay, as you can see, there are a list of strings over here, but we are just gonna look through some of the more important ones. So for example, there is a SpyX. So this software is gonna be installed in the victim's host, so key logging might be able to execute. Yeah, so there is an email involved, message involved. So maybe the attacker is going to send the victim some email address, some host, send the victim's host with some email with the attachment that contains the SpyX that is going to be installed without the victim knowing. So one more thing is, as you can see here, the SpyX, it states here that it's a keylogger that runs in the background. So based on this string, you can conclude that this malware is a keylogger that tracks victims' confidential information from the directory that is given to the attacker through email. Okay, next up, we will go to the dependency walker. Okay. Open the malware. This tool is basically give you all the DLL that is inside the malware. So kernel 32, user 32, GDI, ADVAPI, OLE, and the OLE AUT. So these DLL are necessary for the malware to run because it consists of process handling, memory management, graphics and user interface. It also involves those modification of the registry keys in the victim's computer. So some of the more important functions is like create process, create event, create directory, compare strings in the kernel 32. Then for the user, it's all about the interface, so I no need to elaborate more about that. Yeah, as you can see from the imported functions. Okay, for the GDI is very similar, but just that it has more graphical functions like create pixels and create color. So it's more on the font management. Okay, for ADVAPI is on the registry key. Sorry. So it changes the registry key of the victim's host, so that the malware can work. This is how the malware works. It changes the registry key. So yeah. So next, I'll just go to the WinMD5. This is the last malware. The tools that I'm gonna demonstrate. So you run the tool. You open the malware file. Okay, this tool is basically there to give you the hash value, or it's over here. So this hash value you can use to compare with the source link to prove its integrity of the malware. So before you want to send it to someone else or other purpose. Okay, alright, that's it for the video for the static analysis. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.